Now that I've given you an overview of Google Sites, I want to show you how to create your own. So what you want to do is you want to start on the Google page. You want to go to what I call the waffle. Thank you, Kathy. And you want to choose Sites. I need to just change that so I'm in the right account. There we go. When the Sites page comes up, you want to click on blank, which is the plus sign in the top left. And that's going to open up your new site. This is your website that you're creating. So you're going to want to title that. And then you can also change your page title here. I like to move this down because I'm going to put an image in that box up top. So you want to grab that and you can move it down to the line below it. To add this image, which I did, this is my main one. And so you're going to notice that it looks a little different because I had to do some resizing on there. But this will give you a good overview so you know what you need to do for yours. Again, note that you need to leave some space across the top of any image that you put in because as you add your pages, these words are going to pop up. And if you have images there, you will not be able to see them. So I'm going to grab, this was my header that I used for Google Classroom. It's not perfectly sized for this, so I did have to go back and make some adjustments, but for all intents and purposes, I think you will get the gist of it. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my class tab, and I'm going to click on Change Image. This is in my site, okay, and then I'm going to click Upload because that screenshot saved to my computer, and I'm going to find that file and click Open. It takes just a minute for that to upload. You'll see the little stars here working. It does go gray, or well, actually it goes really bright like that. And then if you click the stars, you will get your normal colors back. So that's your main home page, basically. Now what you want to do is you're going to create pages. So we're going to page, and this is just like if you were on Target.com and you were going to different departments, you're basically creating different departments. So I'm going to go to page, and I'm going to go to plus at the bottom, and I'm going to title that page. This one is going to be Forms. I'm going to click Done. For some reason, when you do that first one, it does copy the picture from the first page. All you have to do is click on that. When you get the blue lines around it, click the Delete button, and that will get rid of it. Now you're ready to insert your virtual classrooms. You're going to go to Insert up top, and then you're going to scroll down to where it says Slides. And then you will see this is my form slide right here. You click on that and it highlights, and then you click Insert. And then you can put that in there. I resize it just about to there, not too big because you don't want the kids to have to go up and down on the scroll bar. You just want them to be able to get it all in one page to make it easy to use. And now I have all of my clickable links in there. They won't be clickable here, but if you want to make sure that your links are clickable, and I promise you if they're clickable, if you made them clickable, they'll stay clickable. But when you're drafting, they won't look that way. Just go up here to preview. And then when you're in preview, you can check those links to make sure that they're working. And they're working just fine. Okay? And then you continue to do that. So you go to another page and you do plus, and this will be first week, done. And then you go to insert, you go to slide, and you go to first week, insert. And again, the great thing is they can interact with the links, but they can't interact with all those pieces in your virtual classroom, so you don't have to worry about them being distracted by all of that. And now you've got 3 different pages. You've got your home page, your forms page, and your first week page, and you can play around from there. Hopefully that helps you to get started. I will definitely create another video to show you how to do the buttons on the home page, but you do have the clickable links right across the top here too. So the buttons aren't completely necessary. They're just an extra if you want to add it in. All right, you can always put questions in the comments if you have anything you're curious about. I'm happy to help.